Did you know there was once a lost world bigger than Britain itself, hidden beneath the North Sea? 8,000 years ago, you could walk from London to Paris without getting your feet wet. This wasn't some fantasy land. This was Doggerland, a real place that scientists call the real-life Atlantis. Picture this. Vast forests stretched as far as the eye could see. Rivers flowed through green valleys. Thousands of people lived in villages, hunting mammoth and gathering food. For thousands of years, this land connected Britain to the rest of Europe. But here's where it gets crazy. Fishing boats today still pull up Stone Age tools from the ocean floor, mammoth bones, even human skulls. The evidence is right there in fishermen's nets. Then disaster struck. A massive tsunami called the Storego wave crashed into Doggerland, speeding up the flooding that was already happening. Slowly, the sea swallowed everything. This lost world was home to more people than Ireland has today. An entire civilization, now sleeping beneath the waves. Makes you wonder what else is down there, doesn't it?